You see, ancient alien civilizations, they used 10 millimeter sockets as a form of intergalactic currency.
Kelno Zorp Flargon.
Glargon?
Zorp 10 millimeter?
It is believed the aliens gifted our world with the 10 millimeter socket, complete with legs to enable their escape.
Glarth Zorpik Nickel. Floopy Doo 10 millimeter Klatu. Berata Nikto. Zzz Klorp.
Here we see the first documented disappearance of a 10 millimeter socket, dating all the way back to ancient Egyptian times.
In modern times, the 10 millimeter socket is mass-produced to combat the issue of escaping sockets.
In the future, technology is sure to change, but the 10 millimeter socket is here to stay.